For our procedure, we put sand into a container and then we put lighter fluid into our sand. We put a mixture of baking soda and sugar into our sand and then we light the sand to get our carbon sugar snake.
Now the science behind our experiment. Table sugar is a chemical compound that contains a lot of carbon. When sugar is exposed to an open flame, it will burn and react to the air. The baking soda decomposes at a high temperature and releases lots of carbon dioxide. The production of high amounts of carbon dioxide causes a lack of oxygen. This means that there is not enough oxygen for all the sugar to be converted into carbon dioxide and water via a combustion reaction. Instead, some of the sugar decomposes into an elemental carbon and starts forming the solid black snake-like structure. From this experiment, I was able to see a combustion reaction and I found it really interesting.
I also enjoyed learning about different chemical reactions.